Hello, today we will guide you through how to create email groups in Microsoft Outlook. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a contact list, often called an email group, so you can email multiple people at once without typing every address each time. Begin in Outlook Mail. Open Outlook in your browser and sign in, then look toward the upper left area of the window. Switch to the People view. This is where Outlook manages your contacts and lists. If you don't see it right away, look for the People icon. Selecting it brings you to your contacts homepage. At the top left of the People page, choose the New Contact menu. From the drop-down, select New Contact List. This option creates a simple distribution list that you can use in the To, CC, or BCC fields when composing messages. It's different from a Microsoft 365 group, which has shared files and a shared mailbox. A contact list is lightweight and perfect for quick group emails. Give your list a clear, descriptive name. Pick something you'll recognize instantly later, like project team and marketing, or monthly volunteers. A good name makes it easy to find the list when you start a new email. Now add your members. In the email field, begin typing an address. Outlook will suggest known contacts as you type. Select from suggestions or press enter to add the exact address. Continue adding each person you want included. You can mix internal and external addresses, and you can paste multiple addresses if they're separated with commas or semicolons. Take a moment to confirm spelling and remove any accidental duplicates. If you're building a large list, it can help to add a few names, pause to scan for errors, then keep going. When you're satisfied with the list name and the members you've added, finalize it by choosing Create. Outlook saves the new contact list to your People area. You'll see it appear alongside your other contacts, ready to use. Here's a quick tip for using your new list. When you compose an email, start typing the list name in the To field, and Outlook will suggest it. Select the list and every member will be addressed automatically. If you ever need to update the list, return to People, open the list, and add or remove members as needed. Keeping the name consistent and the membership current will make team communication faster and more reliable. That's it. You've created an email group in Outlook, named it clearly, added the right people, and saved it for easy use. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing.